You can use compatible AirPods like a basic hearing aid or sound amplifier using Apple's hearing features and Live Listen. Right now, the best supported models are AirPods Pro 2, AirPods Pro 3, AirPods 4, and AirPods Max. The first step is connecting your AirPods to your iPhone. These are my AirPods Pro 3. To connect your AirPods, open the lid of the charging case and hold it near your iPhone. Tap 3 times on the charging case near the status light. Wait until the light flashes white and then amber. Now, go to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. Find your AirPods and tap on them to connect to your iPhone, or connect using the pop-up that appears on the screen. Now my iPhone is connected to AirPods Pro. Next, let's use AirPods as a hearing aid. Turn on the Live Listen feature from the Control Center. Find the hearing shortcut with the ear icon and tap on it to enable it. If it's not showing, first add it to the Control Center. Open the Control Center on your iPhone. Tap the plus button to add a new shortcut. Then tap the Add a Control option at the bottom of the Control Center. Search for hearing and tap the ear icon to add it to the Control Center. That's it! Make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Tap the hearing shortcut and turn on the Live Listen option. Tap the Live Listen button. Now, place your iPhone closer to the person speaking. Your iPhone's microphone captures the sound and sends it to your AirPods louder and clearer. That's it! Adjust the volume to the maximum using the side volume up button or the volume controls in the Control Center. Now, listen. Voices sound much clearer when using AirPods like hearing aids. I also recommend keeping your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version. Right now, my iPhone is running iOS 26. AirPods are not full medical-grade hearing aids for severe hearing loss. They mainly help with mild hearing difficulties, conversations, TV listening, and noisy environments. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos and updates.